Good morning, dear students. Today we shall understand chapter 8. The name of our chapter 8 is Who Knew the Secret? Who knew the secret? गुप्त या सीक्रेट बात किसे पता थी? About the chapter. This is a heart-rending story about the friendship of a human being and a horse. The old man had a secret about himself. He never shared it anyone except his horse. After his death, people came to know this secret. Now this is a story about a man and a horse. This man had a secret that no one knew it, but who knew it? Only his horse. And when this man death arrived, then only others came to know. So dear students, let us discuss the chapter. Perry Dupin delivered milk to the families living in the Prince Edward Street for about 30 years. Perry Dupin, he was a milk deliverer and he delivered milk to Prince Edward Street for how many years? For 30 years. This street was one of the small streets in the city of Montreal, Canada. And this street, वो गली और वह जगह कहाँ थी? मॉन्ट्रियल कनाडा में थी और वह सबसे छोटी गली थी या मोहल्ला था. His big white horse who pulled the milk wagon had become equally familiar with the geography of the Prince Edward Street. And now the white horse which this man, what was the name of this man? Perry Dupin. Now his horse was also familiar with this place. Geography का मतलब है कि study about places or where what things are found. That is called geography. He too had been drawing the milk wagon for about 15 years. And this horse was also drawing wagons for about how many years? For 15 years का मतलब वो दूध के कार्ट या दूध की गाड़ी 15 years से पुल कर रहा था. When Joseph, the beautiful white horse, first came to stable of the Provincial Milk Company, Perry stroked the soft neck of the horse and looked into his eyes. This is a gentle and faithful horse, Perry said. Now what was the name of this horse? The name of the horse was Joseph. And he was very beautiful white horse. And when he was bought from other place to this Provincial House Milk Company, Perry stroked means पहलाना या कुछ अपन प्यार से उसे पहलाते हैं, उसे स्ट्रोक बोलते हैं. तो पेरी वहां जाता है और क्या करता है? उसे स्ट्रोक करता है, पहलाता है और उसकी आंखों में देखता है. जो घोड़ा है वो पेरी घोड़े की आंखों में देखता है और बोलता है कि दिस इज सज्जन मीन्स सज्जन एंड फेथफुल हॉर्स. फेथफुल मीन्स वफादार घोड़ा है. I can see a faithful spirit in his eyes. He will draw my milk wagon. Jack, the manager of the stable, agreed with Perry. Now what did this Perry do? He tells the manager that this horse will draw my wagons of the milk to Prince Edward Street. And the manager, who was the manager of that stable? The manager was Jack. And he agreed that you take this horse and use as your milk wagon carriage. Each morning, Perry arrived at the stable of the Provincial Milk Company at 5 o'clock. The milk wagon with Joseph hitched to it. It would be loaded with milk bottles. As Perry climbed into his seat, the horse would turn his head. Getting a nod from his master, Joseph would pull the wagon towards Prince Edward Street. Now each morning what this Perry used to do, he used to go to the company at 5 o'clock and load all the milk. And when he gets seated on the seat, he would the Joseph white horse would look back to give to show direction or to get directions from his master Perry. As soon as the commands were given to Joseph, he would carry the wagon to the Prince Edward Street. The horse would stop at the first house and wait until Perry got down from his seat and put a bottle of milk at the front door. Then Joseph, without any direction from Perry, would turn and come back alone to the other side. Yes, Joseph was a smart horse. Now, as soon as when they reached to the street, Prince Edward Street, at the first house, Perry used to stop and wait until. Joseph used to stop and wait until Perry had got down from his seat and delivered the milk. Then, after delivering the milk without any instruction, without any guidance, the Joseph would go to city and turn around and come back the other side. Joseph was a really smart horse. So dear students, that's it for today. In the next class, we shall be discussing further chapter. For your homework, please read the chapter and learn all your difficult words and pronounce them clearly. Okay, take care. Have a nice day.